Welcome to our channel, Nourish and Thrive, where we explore the wonders of nature and how they can enhance our well-being. Today, we're delving into the world of pumpkin seeds and their incredible benefits for boosting immunity. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover the ultimate secret to fortifying your immune system? Look no further than these tiny powerhouses, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are not just a seasonal snack. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These little gems are rich in zinc, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which play crucial roles in supporting a healthy immune system. One of the key players in pumpkin seeds is zinc. This mineral is vital for immune function, helping to regulate the production and activity of immune cells. Incorporating zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds into your diet can help strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of magnesium, which plays a role in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including immune function. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The versatility of pumpkin seeds makes them easy to incorporate into your daily meals and snacks. Sprinkle them over salads, blend them into smoothies, or add them to your favorite baked goods for an extra nutritional boost. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about their delicious taste. Pumpkin seeds have a nutty flavor and satisfying crunch that adds depth to any dish. Whether you're munching on them solo or using them as a topping, you'll love the wholesome goodness they bring to the table. So, whether you're carving a jack-o'-lantern or whipping up a batch of pumpkin seed cookies, make sure to save those seeds and put them to good use. Your immune system will thank you. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to boosting your immunity with pumpkin seeds. With their potent blend of nutrients and versatility, these tiny treasures are a must-have for anyone looking to stay healthy and vibrant. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy living and wellness. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body with nature's finest offerings. Remember, when it comes to your health, the power is in your hands, or should we say, in your seeds.